Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment. Check Windows version and which USB port you'll use, because drivers behave differently on USB 2. 0 versus 3. 0. Plug a known good cable into the dual shock 4 and ensure the controller has at least 20% charge. Next, disable other controllers and turn off system Bluetooth to avoid device conflicts. Once done, connect the controller, watch Device Manager for a new entry, and get ready to update or reinstall the driver. Once your controller appears as an unknown device, open Device Manager and locate it under Controllers or Human Interface Devices. This tells you why Windows misidentified it. Right-click and choose Uninstall, and if prompted, check Delete Driver Software so Windows can't reuse a corrupt file. Restart the PC. After reboot, install the official Sony driver, or Ps4 Windows, and run it as administrator to bind the HID interface correctly. Make sure you allow any kernel mode driver prompts. To finish, calibrate the controller in Windows Game Controllers, or Ps4 Windows, and run the test routine so buttons and sticks report correctly. Remap any mismatches. If issues persist, update Windows and your PC's USB chipset drivers, and try a different USB port or powered hub, because port power and firmware often cause intermittent detection. If detection still fails, boot into safe mode to remove drivers cleanly, or use system, restore to a point before errors began. This is the most reliable fallback if all else fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.